Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to check your hard disk health using this free software, and I will show you how to download and install this software step by step. Now go to your browser and type hard disk sentinel. Press enter. Here you can see the first site showing here. Click on this site. Now you can see the download option with the green button. Click on it. Leave everything showing here, just click on this download option and download the software. Now you can see the software in a zip format. First you need to extract the file. For that you have to create a folder and rename this folder with hard disk sentinel. Now cut the setup and paste it to the new folder. After that, right click on this, you will see WinRAR and click on extract here. There it is. You have completely extracted the setup. Now double click on this, click on S, click on OK, next, accept and next, 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 and install. Click on finished to launch the software. Close this. That's it. Now you can see your hard disk health. See, it shows the hard disk status is perfect and no actions needed. If it shows any bad sectors or the hard disk health is below 50% or even below, then make sure you back up all your data to another hard disk or external hard disk. That's it guys. If you like this video, please do subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you.